definitely should learn technical analysis. What's that? Another topic to study. Oh God, all this investing is so complex and complicated. Why don't they teach it at school? Well, that's a really good question. We completely agree that financial literacy should be taught widely. But anyway, at school or on your own, to become a successful investor you have to learn a lot of things. And technical analysis is one of them. Why? Let's find out. What is technical analysis? It's a method that helps you to evaluate investments and identify trading opportunities based upon market data. In other words, technical analysis allows you to predict the probable price movement of security through the use of technical studies and indicators. Technical analysis can be applied to almost anything that has a history of trading. Remember those price charts you find here, and they're on exchange websites. They are the main thing you need for your research. Technical analysis is based on mathematical chaos theory. Don't be repelled by the chaos part. Technical analysts view the markets as chaotic, but they believe that prices are not random and there are patterns that tend to repeat. In fact, adepts of the technical analysis build their decisions on a number of populations. Price knows it all. Prices reflect all the information about security, and any new facts related to this security will affect its price. The trend is your friend. There are observable trends in the price of securities, and prices tend to go in the same directions up to a certain point, of course. History is the key to the future. What happened to the price of security often repeats, so the patterns seen in the past can give a hint about what's going on now or in the nearest future. Why do I need technical analysis? It seems to be a bit like forecasting. Isn't it better to take a look at the overall state of the economy or analyze a certain company's situation before investing? Well, here you talk about fundamental analysis that is also important but doesn't give you all the answers. Quick reminder, there is no tool, method, or strategy that has all the answers and leads you straight to wealth. Nevertheless, technical analysis can give you a hint about when to enter the market, which stock to buy and which to get out from, when to book profit. It can help you deal with emotions that often push investors towards bad decisions. If you detect a developing trend, you can plan your moves with at least a bit of certainty. What will I have to learn? Are historical price charts the only thing to look at while doing technical analysis? Sorry, no, that would be too easy. Although there are investors who make decisions with the help of a simple line chart, we recommend going a bit deeper. First of all, you'll have to learn to read and understand all types of charts: candlestick charts, bar charts, Renko charts, and point and figure charts. Each type has its own benefits. For example, candlestick charts are good for showing volatility information for longer periods of time, while point and figure charts are used to determine entry and exit points. Another important thing to get familiar with besides the prices is volume. A volume is a number of shares or contracts that trade for certain security over a chosen period of time. It gives us the key to the significance of changes in a security's price. Next, let's not forget about trends. To successfully identify a trend, you need to know how it looks, otherwise, you'll bump into it without noticing. Some of them have funny names like head and shoulder, or cup and handle, but simple triangles are useful too. Then there is a long list of indicators or signals that you can use for making a certain move. Their names aren't so funny, they are more on the boring or scary side, depending on what you think about math. But the good news is that even a stochastic oscillator or a Fibonacci retracement is not so complicated and can be easily understood by everyone. Are there any downsides to technical analysis? Reading and comparing charts can do no harm. However, it would be unwise to base your investment decision only on technical analysis. Remember, the trend is your friend, a phrase. It has a continuation until the end when it bends. That means technical analysis has a lot of uncertainty. It takes a lot of work, but also a bit of luck to pick the right moment for entering or exiting an investment. One can hope that the trend repeats itself exactly, but sometimes it just doesn't. What's the bottom line? Technical analysis is a widely used tool that, combined with other tools, can help you make good decisions. At least one reason for learning it is that technical analysis tends to self-fulfill due to its popularity. If a number of investors anticipate a price movement and act accordingly, this price will be forced to follow this trend even if there are no other reasons for this. That may sound strange, but hey. Why shouldn't you profit from it? So give your brain a workout and let technical analysis provide you with all the possible hints. That's all for today's video. I hope you find it interesting and helpful. Let me know what you think about technical analysis in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos.